Hi, I'm Amber, of Landis Unleashed. Our mission is to give you tips to make you successful on YouTube. Have you made the decision to launch a YouTube channel? Or maybe you already have a channel that needs a new direction. Here's 4 tips for getting your YouTube channel off to a successful start or restart. Number 1. What does success look like? To begin, you have to define success for yourself as a YouTube creator. What does that look like? This information is crucial. A clear sense of purpose will determine your content strategy from the outset. For whatever reason, anyone can start a YouTube channel. You may want to start publishing too. Share your story with the world. Document a subject close to you. Teach viewers about a particular subject. Satisfy a creative itch. Vlog your adventures. Develop a revenue source. There are numerous and equally valid reasons to start a YouTube channel. You'll have a clear focus right away if you can establish some goals at the outset, but any time is a good moment to review your objectives. Number 2. What kind of creator do you want to be? Think about the type of creator you want to be before beginning or continuing your YouTube journey. Your presenting manner as well as the material you provide will influence the number of views and subscribers you receive. Here is an illustration. If you're a photographer, you might wish to unbox or review the newest camera. How can you make your YouTube video stand out when thousands of other filmmakers and photographers will also upload a video on the same product? You have 3 excellent options in this scenario. You could be the first, the best, or different. If you are finding value in this content, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when we upload more content. If you are a new subscriber, put I subscribed in the comments for a special message. Number 3. Start uploading content to your channel. You must produce material and publish it, albeit this may seem like an obvious statement. But this is the difference between a YouTube creator and a YouTube viewer. Many people never move past this stage because they overthink and brainstorm all the things they're going to do, and in their mind, it becomes too daunting of a task to even start. You can delay making that choice until you are certain of which category or specialty you want to develop, but most people are still at the brainstorming stage. You have to step out there and produce content before you are ready. Number 4. Study YouTube. You must be familiar with the YouTube platform if you wish to master it. That implies that you should have a basic understanding of concepts like copyright, best practices for uploading, optimizing, and adhering to YouTube's community guidelines. You should also educate yourself thoroughly on the algorithm, statistics, and metrics. For more information to build a successful YouTube channel, check out our videos, These YouTube Myths Could Be Hurting Your Channel and How to Protect Your Mental Health on YouTube. Again, I'm Amber. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.